Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that video, our Let's Find Out video. Now let's look at our booklets. Okay, and it says on the front of our booklet, it's a little girl with her hand over her heart saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Put your hand on your heart. That is what many people do when they see our flag. It shows that we care about the flag in our country, the American flag. All right, so let's open up. Let's see what we have to learn today. We take care of our flag. Here are 4 rules about our flag. Okay, so let's look at our red box. It says, we do not let our flag touch the ground. We do not let our flag touch the ground. And then if we look at our green rectangle, we raise it quickly and we lower it slowly. When we put our flag up in the morning, we raise it quickly. When we lower it, we do it slowly. We always shine a light on it at night. So if you have a flag outside at night, you should always have a light on it. And number 4 in the purple, I'm sorry. I guess it's blue. Number 4, we carefully fold it into a triangle. And see our servicemen and women folding it in a triangle. All right, so let's look at the bottom. It says parts of the flag. Our flag is red, white, and blue. It has 50 stars, and each of those stars is for one of our states in the United States. It has 13 stripes because we had 13 original colonies. And the flag pole holds it up. So here are stars and stripes, and there's the flag pole that holds it up. Now, if we look down here, it says, we see flags on homes, on schools, on post offices. Where do you think this flag is? And why do you think that? So let's look at this picture. Where do you think this flag is? So first, I guess we have to talk about this guy. What is he dressed like? He's an astronaut. Right, he is an astronaut. An astronaut put the flag on the moon. When they went and explored the moon, the astronaut put the United States of America, the flag on the moon. So that is super cool. That's the actual picture of the moon. All right, so let's go to our back page. It said our flag long ago and today. Our flag has changed over time. Look at both flags and answer the questions, okay? And I'm gonna let you do this with your grown-up that's with you today, but there's 2 different flags. There's one long ago and there's one today, and then there's 4 questions to answer. So whatever grown-up is with you today, if you could please help the boys in answering these questions, that would be great. All right, so let's get out our first worksheet, Show What You Know. You know this is my favorite because you know so much. I love when you show what you know. Let's put our names on the top. All right, and it says, number 1, look at the 2 flags. We have 2 flags, and it says circle the American flag. So circle the flag that we have in the United States of America. And if you need help, you can look on the back and you're gonna circle our flag. The flag with all the stars, that's a pretty flag, but it's not our flag. It's not the United States, the American flag. All right, so number 2, do we let our flag touch the ground? Do you remember in our booklet, it said one of the things that we do not do, we do not let our flag touch the ground. So in number 2, do we let the flag touch the ground? Yes is Y-E-S, and N-O is no. And I'm gonna say no, we do not let our flag touch the ground. Number 3, what shape do we fold our flag into? I see 3 shapes on here. I see a triangle, a circle, or a rectangle. And if you look at your 4th spot, number 4, in that purplish blue color, it says that we fold our flag into a triangle. See the three sides? 1, 2, 3. A triangle. So we'll circle our triangle. All right, now we have 3 crayons here. And the question is, what colors are on our flag? What colors are on our flag? And if you remember at the very beginning, of the second page on the bottom here, it says the colors of our flag are red, white, and blue. So when we're coloring on the bottom here, we can start with our red crayon. I'm just going to do the tips for you so you get an idea what I'm talking about. Okay, and the white flag, the white crayon, we can just leave plain because it's white. And our paper's already white. And then our last color is blue. So it's red, white, and blue. And because if you have a white crayon though, and you want to go ahead and color on top of that, you can. But they're the colors, and you can color the whole crayon in. I'm just doing it quickly for you. All right, so awesome. Show what you know. Okay, and the second worksheet that goes with that is make your own flag that tells something about you, and use your favorite colors and draw a picture of something that you love. And on the bottom it says, my flag tells about me because, and I'm just gonna write, I love my students. So the flag that I'm making is going to have to be something about my students. So I was thinking that I could do something like this. Now I'm going to do my best. You know that I'm not a very good artist like you are. So I'm going to do my best. And so I'm going to start out with that. And then I'm going to write some names in here. I'm not going to do all the names because it's going to take a long time, but I'm going to go back and finish them. You can be thinking about what you want to do with yours, with your flag. Okay, I can keep going, but I'm going to stop right there. And what I did is I did a flower, and then I put all my friends and all my students in my class, all my friends' names in there. And then maybe in the middle, I would do, on the bottom, I would do Miss Sheila. And that's what my flag would look like, something like that. Or it could be sports. It could be, another good flag for Miss Sheila would be a dog print, because you know how much I love dogs. So that might be another one. So it's whatever creation you want to come up with, whatever design, whatever colors, it's your flag. All right, so that wraps it up for our lesson about the American flag. Things we do and don't do with the American flag, traditions that we have. Our 2 worksheets. We made our windsock. And if I included this worksheet in there, you can do it with them. I just thought it was a little advanced to talk about short A and long A. So if they just want to color the picture, that would be fine. And then, of course, we have our Bible lesson about sharing and caring for each other. All right, so I hope you have a super weekend. It's a 3-day weekend. And maybe your pool's open and you'll get to go in your pool a little. I'm not sure, but I hope you have so much fun. fun, and I'll see you back here on Tuesday because we're going to be off on Monday, so I'll see you back here on Tuesday. All right, boys, happy Memorial Day. I'll see you Tuesday. Bye-bye.